Lesotho's High Court has dismissed an application challenging the suspension of one of its constituency which nominated Professor Nqosa Mahao as a candidate for the national executive position. Professor Mahao's ambitions for the ruling All Basotho Convention's deputy leadership position will now be on hold as the protracted battle to the highest appeals court gets underway.
It is ABC versus ABC in the High Court. The Korokoro constituency has been suspended for nominating Professor Nqosa Mahao for deputy leadership, but the ABC leadership says Mahao does not yet meet party's requirements.
With the exception of the point of law, the point in limine raised on behalf of the respondents at paragraph 3.2 of their submissions, which relates to the review of private entities at the courts of law. The rest of their points in limine are upheld. The costs are granted on an ordinary scale. That is my ruling. Thank you very much.
But the respondents are having none of that and are ready to fight to the end.
And I've been instructed to immediately file an urgent appeal so that the rights of my clients at least are dealt with by that court, since this court has, as I've said, clearly failed to dispense justice.
There is no way the judge can accept that the main application and the counterclaim are intertwined. At the same time, dismiss the other on the basis that there is no agency, while it is purely dependent on the other.
And I would just advise our NEC to open up its doors. Let us talk and let us try and resolve these problems at good means. But we have come to court. That is by itself saying we have tried to exhaust the internal means, the internal remedies to try to solve this problem. But unfortunately, we couldn't get to a consensus.
ABC leadership says the decision to approach the court to solve political battle is misguided.
To move this route, I think my comrade was not advisable, because this one is chaotic. The better move is to resort to deal with the matter from within.
This is the beginning of the actual race that leads to who will ultimately lead ABC. They have come to court to challenge this decision that suspends the constituency committee. They will be going for an appeal to insist that they want their candidate of choice to be the one that will ultimately occupy the second most powerful seat in the National Elective Conference. Rapelang Khatebe, SABC News, Lesotho.